Hey, what's going on? It is day 22 of our mobile UI daily challenge. Um, so we're going to take the next hour and try to design a single screen mobile native app. Usually, we don't really have much forethought into what we're doing, but today, so you can see we've kind of just done some random ideas that come up. But today we're going to actually do a little bit something different. I've actually been working on this mobile app for a few weeks now. It's a recipe, ingredient, shopping list type of app called Tried and True. There's not much to it. It's very simple, straight to the point. It's got this nice red and blue color scheme, some nice typography. But we need to create an onboarding screen for it, and I don't know what that will look like yet. So why don't we take the next hour or so and just think about that, think about some design ideas for it. Have some ideas in my head, but um, yeah. So let's. I'm gonna take one of these screens just so we have it as kind of some inspiration. I'll paste it in here. And then we just kind of need to figure out what is onboarding going to be for Tried and True. We don't have a logo really yet. But typical onboarding is quick, snappy to the point, engaging visually. Um, so what does that mean? Um, we're gonna need definitely a logo, which we don't have, and I'm not gonna design today, but so we'll just throw something in here like this. Yeah, you know what? I did write a tagline down. Let me go get that tagline. Got my notebook here. I was drawing with my daughters this evening, and I just threw down some ideas here. So let's see. Yeah, so we'll have the logo somewhere in here, and we'll have some sort of tagline. Oops, a tagline, not tagline. I should just say like onboarding instructions. Well, let's see. So I call this meal planning with recipes you already love. Okay. And then so we need like some sort of direction, some quick, snappy directions on how the app will work, right? That makes sense. We'll call it. We'll say automatically add your standout recipes. So that might be step one. And I'm gonna grab one of the button styles we use here. Throw that in here. That'll be continue. And I wonder if I have any hyperlink text links. I have this whiteout one. And this will just be skip. Throw this down here. Maybe here. One of this. Meal planning with recipes you already love. With mailing recipes. Meal planning. Yeah, okay. And I thought about like, so you can see I'm kind of cutting into this photography here with the title piece. I thought, what? How could I do that again here? So I don't quite know yet, but what if there was a photo here, right? And it went down 50%. So we'll go the full height, and then we'll divide it by 2. There we go. And just like this. This is not very impactful already, I can tell. So, I'm wondering if there should be some sort of illustration here or something. Should this be an illustration, maybe? Okay. Let's try a different layout here. Hey, that's not working. Um, just hide that for now. Maybe it's just the framing of it, you know? So in the app itself, where everything is very rigid. There's no rounded corners or anything. So I'm wondering if I should lean into that somehow. It's a nice blue. Let's make sure we have that handy just in case. Interesting shape here. What am I gonna do with this though? That's the question. See what's going on with free pick here. Yeah, get out of here. All right. Let's focus here. Should this be the photo? What if we did this? One of these, like this. Hmm. I am stuck right now. I'm stuck, and I'm trying just to keep push forward, push through it, because I don't know what to do right now. I'd be lying if I said that wasn't frustrating. So the idea is automatically import your standout recipes. So I need to show a card. I need to show a website with like an arrow. Yeah. So I think like this left one should be. I need somehow to say like it's going from one website, which is different, into tried and true. How do we do that? Good question. We could make a mobile phone idea here, so we could. So I'm just, what am I doing? Great question. Just trying to recreate, I'm really just experimenting. So if this was trying to figure out a way that, what's a way that I can at a glance just say like your recipes are being imported from website X into tried and true. So I don't think I'm accomplishing it here, which is frustrating, right? I'm just trying to come up with like a wireframe for this thing. A wireframe for what the app might look like. Something like that, right? And then I would need like a big interesting arrow. And instead of taking the time to do that, we'll head over to flat icon, and we'll just see if there's some interesting arrow. And then maybe there's like something along the lines of multiple pages are going in here. I'm gonna have to refine all this at another time, but I think the idea is there. Yeah, the idea is kind of there. I would never do this for the logo, but I just want to get something a little more interest in there. Oh, that doesn't work. If you figured that true would be the standout color there. Turn into some baseball colors here. I don't like that. Maybe we have just fooling around here, just trying to come up with some different ideas. Nothing to be alarmed by. It's interesting. You know what? There's a plugin. Is it Blob? Blobs. Let's try this out. This one generates random blobs, which is like not the tried and true visual style, but let's just try it out. Complexity and contrast make blobs. There we go. Okay. Oops. Ooh. I didn't even mean to put that gray there, but there's something to that. Okay. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of noise going on right here. This is not good. I think I like the idea of. I don't like any of these ideas, so that's a lie. We need some page indicators here, I think. Just to say, I think there's actually only 2 pages I was going to do, so this first one can be blue. This next one will be blue as well, but just an outline of it. Go. I mean, if there's two steps, do you really need a skip button at that stage? Probably not, right? Probably not. Meal planning with recipes you already love. Yeah, we definitely need like some visual interest in this background here. Maybe put some squares over here, like this. Where's my button? Is that button? I think I definitely need to flesh out whatever this like import the original screen is. Maybe I can. Get back in there. I learned a new shortcut key called K, and that lets you scale everything up equally. It's awesome. Okay. Automatically add your standout recipes. Let's do page 2. Page 2 was we'll create you. We'll create our next meal plan and shopping list. I'm just going to flip these horizontally, and we're on page 2. Great. And we'll prototype this to clip. We'll navigate to this, and I wonder what Smart Animate would do for us. Let's try it. Let's find out. So it just fades between them, which I guess makes sense. We don't need interactions right now. And we'll create your next meal plan and shopping list. I have to ask. Just gonna explore some shapes. That right, you know. I want to say there's something interesting about this, but would I be lying? Just to have something done. I think I might be. There's something off about this whole thing, and I can't put my finger on it. Let's take a think. Take a beat. You know, I think an easy cop out would just be put an illustration here. But I'm basically so tired of seeing illustrations. Like it's the only thing everybody does nowadays. And it's just so boring. A person, a chef, throwing up food in a tray. Like, come on. I get that they're visually appealing, but they don't tell me what the app is, and that's kind of what I want to know. Does this solve that problem? I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some heavy work on this logo. We are 36 minutes in. And I don't know. I don't know. I think an animation would help sell this. Okay, so maybe that should be like a URL bar up here or something. Okay, it's feeling a little better. I don't know if it's forced or not, but it's feeling a little better. And I do think we can get away with some animation here of just like some animation of just like it starts on the web page and it scrolls and then it zooms in and shows up on the screen or something. I think that could work. Yeah. I think this needs a lot of polish though. Something about this doesn't look good. But the idea is here. So like what we could do next for this next one. For the next one, we could keep this so you swipe and it keeps this thing on screen, and then um, so it would almost be like this. First of all, let's get these in here. That, oops. So the next thing we could do is something like this. I don't think I have any food photos handy. I have any over here. Oh, I do over here. Okay. Nope. Okay. Oh. Almost there. One more. Okay, grab the wrong one. So then, what I'm trying to say is, we'll create your next meal and shopping list. Your next meal plan is, I want us to show that. I want us to show that here. So do we have like a big block of text here like this? And maybe it shows up right here or something. I'll do one of these. Yeah, so maybe this little icon would go animate over here on top of this hamburger, and like that's showing. Oh, we've already created this. Um, and then I wonder if there's like a little burst. Oh, burst photo, flash bang. Okay, I'll just grab this real quick. Something like that. You know, it's bursting in. So, okay, we're 46 minutes in here. I can't say this is a huge success, but I think the concept is here. I think the concept is sound. I think we just need some better visuals. But the idea of short, punchy, we can automatically add your standard recipes. Um, I don't want to say favorite because everyone says favorite, right? Yeah, it's your favorite. Uh, Treasured, automatically add your choice recipes. automatically your preferred recipes, or create your next meal plan and shopping list. Straight to the point, right? Um, the concept is sound, I think, here. The next step is continue to work on the visuals. Um, it falls flat. I think the app is a lot cleaner. Yeah, so yeah. The next step is working on the logo here. I'll probably work on that more later on, but I don't think we're gonna stream that. So yeah, there we go. Recipe onboarding for the day. Let's check out our daily UI challenge. So home screen tried and true. Check that off. And then I also have a bill calculator and a tip calculator I wanted to work on. A task finder, birthday alert notifications. Yeah, so a few more ideas ready to go. But I think we'll keep this here for now. Um, yeah, I think that's and I'll see you again for number 23 tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye.